Nelson, who has more on, regardless of which side of this debate you're on, this decision will impact you. Mackenzie joins us live now with more on that. Mackenzie?
If the U.S. Supreme Court rolls back Roe v. Wade, Kansas and Missouri would be split. On this side in Kansas, a vote would take place in August, and voters would decide whether or not abortions would be legal or not. Now, on this side in Missouri, it would immediately become illegal.
I hope that people realize really how monumental this is, and it's setting the stage for, generations and generations to come.
The stakes are high for Kansas after the U.S. Supreme Court's draft indicates the majority of the court supports striking down Roe v. Wade. The move to reverse the landmark case legalizing abortion nationally will mean the amendment will not only dictate the future of health care access in Kansas, but also serve as the first major post-Roe landmark in the country.
We want our laws that protect the woman and the child to be upheld in the state of Kansas.
Kansas legislators remain on opposite ends of the debate.
It's really setting the stage for a complete ban on abortion, even in, for rape, incest, or if the life of the mother is at jeopardy.
Right now in the state of Kansas, with the ruling that the state Supreme Court made, it's illegal for a minor to get their ears pierced, but it would be legal for a minor to have an abortion without their parents' consent.
One thing Democrats and Republicans agree on is getting Kansans prepared to vote in the August primary.
There are important issues, so show up every time there is an election or one gets mailed to you, because it is important. And I think too many people sit out those elections and they're waiting for November, which is when we really think of elections. But the August primary is really important.
I think we're going to see a very large turnout because of this issue.
In Kansas, only about 30% of voters show up to cast their ballot in the August primaries. But Kansas legislators say if Roe v. Wade is struck down, they expect to see a much greater turnout at the polls. I'm Mackenzie Nelson, KSHB 41 News.